Model, 2017 Vauxhall Combo Sportive 1.3CDTi 95 PS, L1H1 EU6 Turbo needs replacing, still runs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 140761. MOT, the 28th of February 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3CDTi 95 PS E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo oil seals have worn. Check engine light on the dash due to this. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work.